Hello friends. Now this is the lecture number 10, electrical power 1, unit number 1, transmission line constants. Now in previous lecture we here discussed the numerical based on the GMD and GMR, also called as the self GMD, that is called as the GMR, and mutual GMD is also called as the GMD. Now in previous lecture, we here discussed the numerical based on the double circuit three-phase transmission line, and now in this lecture we also discuss the some other the three-phase double circuit transmission line numerical for different configuration of line. Now, what is that numerical? First numerical in this lecture numerical number 9.8. 9.8. What is the wording of numerical? During that numerical solving, please go through your pen and book concept, watch my lecture, and simultaneously solve this numerical on your pen, on your book, because the practice is most important concept. Practice is most important requirement for such type of the numerical. So also your unit test and your assignment test totally based on a numerical concept from previous from next test concept, and there is no any option also available. So that time you need to solve your numerical on your pen, on your book, and then after you need to put your answer in the filling the blanks. Okay, so that's why you need always the practice on these numerical, and these numerical are very much important for the gate exam point of view, conventional PSU exam, and Mahatransco Mahagenco exams point of view. Now, what is the first numerical? Find the inductance per phase kilometer of the line, per phase per kilometer of the line, double circuit three phase line shown in the figure 9.16. Figure already given for such line. The conductor are transposed. Given is that conductor are transposed, means transmission line is the double circuit with the transposed conductor. Transposition of the line is done, and of the radius is the 0.75 centimeter of the each conductor. The phase sequence is the A, B, and C, means RYB phase. Sequence are same. Now, what is the diagram? Suppose we have to observe the diagram. First of all, we have to draw the diagram. Radius of the each conductor is same. This is the A, B, C. This is the A dash, B dash, and C dash conductor. Okay. Now, similarly, this distance is given between the A and C dash, that is the 4 meter. Similarly, the distance B to B dash also given, that is the 5.5 meter. Distances are given in 5.5 meter. Distance between the A C dash and B dash, horizontal distance in between combination is 3 meter. Similarly, distance between the C and A dash is again 4 meter, and again horizontal distance B dash 2 and C A dash is the again 3 meter. Now these are the configuration. This is the unsymmetrical configuration. Such type of the conductor configuration is the unsymmetrical. Now during the calculations we need a distance, which type of the distance always required? Distance between the each conductor B to A. That time we need to calculate this distance also with the help of triangle. With the help of triangle we need to calculate this distance. Similarly, we need a distance C B dash during the calculations. Similarly, we need the distance between the two conductor, that is the C B, and similarly we need the distance between conductor A B dash. How to calculate such a distance? Suppose we have to draw the line, and suppose we have to draw here line, then we are get here triangle shape. Based on the triangular formula we have to get here. Now this is the 4. This is the 4. Obviously here distance kiti hai? This distance is also 4. This distance is also 4. What is the distance? Here distance kiti right? What is the distance? Suppose 5.5 minus 4. What is the distance? 5.5. Total distance kiti hai? B to B dash. There is a total distance 5.5, and but distance is from this line to this dotted line is the 4 meter, because this is A C dash and C A dash distance is the 4 meter. That's why this distance is also 4 meter in between the two parallel dotted line. Now, how to calculate such a distance? Which type of the distance we need to calculate? I need to calculate first this distance, which red color line distance. We need to calculate such a distance for calculation of these distances. Now, how to calculate these? 4 meter, 5.5 minus 4. What is the distance? The distance becomes 1.5. 1.5. Now, obviously, this distance and this distance also same. That's why 1.5 divided by 2. Here again we are getting 1.5 divided by 2. That is 0.75. 0.75 meters. So this is the 0.75 meter and this is the 0.75 meter. Okay, and this is 4 meter. So overall, suppose we have to calculate 4 plus 0.75 plus 0.75, then we are get here total distance 5.5 meter. In this way we have to calculate. Now, how to calculate this distance? Now this distance is calculated by using Pythagoras theorem. Now Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? The distance, this distance becomes 3 meter and this distance is 0.75. So the distance becomes 0.75 square plus 3 meter square. That is 3.1 meter. 3.1 meter. Obviously, this distance is also 3 meter, 3 meter. This meter, 3 meter, and 0.75. This distance also 3.1 meter according to Pythagoras. Again, this distance is become 3 meter and this distance also 0.75 meter. Same. Again, same distance 3.1 meter. Similarly, this distance becomes 3 meter and this already calculated 0.7. So this distance becomes 3.1 meter. So obviously, distance between what are the distance? B A 3.1, B C 3.1, C dash B dash 3.1, A dash B dash, A dash B dash also 3.1 meter. Now these are the distances. Again, which type of the distances we need to calculate during the calculations? Suppose take different color. Distances like conductor to A dash. Similarly, distances C dash. Similarly, distances, this distance also need to calculate A B dash. Similarly, distance C B dash. Similarly, distance B A dash. Similarly, distance C B dash. Now, how to calculate? Now, obviously, suppose we have to draw the separate diagram, small separate diagram. Now, in this case, first of all, we have to calculate distance between A B dash. A B dash. A B dash. How to calculate? Suppose we have to draw the separate diagram. A, this is conductor. This is conductor B dash. This is a conductor C dash. Okay. And this is the conductor B. We need to calculate this distance A B dash. How to calculate? Obviously, we need to know the distance to these two distances. That is, this distance is 3 meter according to given And what is this distance? This distance, total distance become 4 meter plus 0.75 meter, because this is not considered during that condition. So this is become 4.75 meter. Okay, this is the 4.7. What is the distance between A, B dash? That is 4.75 square plus 3 square. So what is the answer? Distance between A, B dash. A, B dash is equal to distance A, B dash is equal to, what is the distance A, B dash? 4.75 plus 3 square is equal to 5.62 meter. Okay. Now, similarly, these distances are for, similarly, this is and this is distance is not required to calculate again, because same distances for above conductor, remaining the conductors configuration, that is the distance between a distance between the conductor C dash B, distance C dash B, distance B A dash, distance C B dash are same 5.62 meter, same configuration असणार. Similarly, we need to calculate long distances A dash, A dash. For that, suppose we have to consider rate current A dash. So that's why we need to consider this triangle. We need to consider this triangle. So what is that? This is the 6 meter total distance, and this is the 4 meter. Okay. Obviously, this is given distance A dash, that is equal to 6 square plus 3 square, sorry 4 square, that is equal to 7.21. 7.21. So what is distance? Distance A dash is equal to 4 square plus 6 square, 7.21 meters. Similarly, these distances are same for combination C dash. C dash combinations even same, right? Okay. For C dash also these distances are same. So this is same for the distance C dash. Now, then after we are here getting the distances. So write down the distances, each distance. Now, from figure and according to Pythagoras theorem, what are the distances? Distance A dash is equal to distance C dash is equal to 7.21 meter. Okay, which is already calculated. Similarly, distances A B dash is equal to distance C dash B is equal to distance B A dash is equal to distance C B dash is equal to 5.62 meter. Okay. Now similarly, distances A B dash, sorry, A B B C, distance A B, distance B C, similarly distance C dash B dash, B dash C dash, or distance A dash B dash is equal to same distances. All are same combination of distances, that are the 3.1 meter. 3.1 meter. Now, using these distances, now calculation are now to done for the self GMD and mutual GMD. Now, again, now first calculation. What is the formula for such inductance calculation? Formula is, what is the formula? Formula is 10 raised to the power minus 7 inductance per phase per meter, sorry, per meter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 2 log e dm upon ds. Okay, dm upon ds. Now we need to calculate first ds. What is the ds? ds is equal to equivalent self GMD is equal to cubic root of ds1, ds2, ds3. What is the self GMD, where ds1 is equal to related with the conductor A, that is the conductor A. For in the double circuit line, phase A made from A dash, phase B is made up from B dash, and phase C is made up for C dash. Now ds1 is related with the phase A, so that's why cubic raised to the power 4 daa into daa dash into da dash a into a dash, where daa and a dash is called as the GMR. What is the GMR? Where GMR of conductors, each conductor, because radius of each conductor becomes same, so 0.7788 into radius of the conductor, that is 0.7788 into what is the radius of the conductor? Radius of the conductor is given 0.75, that is we have to supposed to be calculate 0.584 centimeter, but we need a same unit. For the same unit we need to put convert that centimeter into the meter. 0.584 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. Then okay, now next, what is the ds1? Put the values. ds1 is equal to 4 raised to the power 4 cube root daa GMR 0.584 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 into distance between the conductor a dash. What is the distance between the conductor a dash? What is the distance a dash? That is the 7.21. Put the value 7.21 into what is the distance between a dash a? Again this distance is 7.21 into 0.584 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. That is called as the GMR of the conductor. Now ds1 is equal to 4, that put the values and solve. ds1 is equal to 0.205 meter. This answer is in meter. Now similarly ds2. Now what is the ds2 is related with the phase B. Now what is the combination? 4 raised to the power root dbb into dbb dash db dash b into db dash b dash. Now where dbb and dbb dash b dash is the GMR of the conductor. Okay, now put the values. ds2 GMR already calculated, because GMR of the each conductor becomes same, because radius of the each conductor is same. 0.584 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 into what is the distance between the b dash, which is already given in figure. B dash is the 5.5. After observing the figure, distance 5.5 into 5.5 into again GMR 0.584 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. What is the ds2? ds2 is equal to 0.18 meter. Okay, after calculating calculator, directly we are getting 0. Similarly, now ds3. What is the ds3? ds3 is related with phase C. So again combination becomes root of the power 4 distance c into distance c dash into distance c dash c into distance c dash, where c and c dash distance is called as again GMR of the conductor. Now ds3 is equal to 4 raised to the 4 power of root power of 4. What is the distance dcc? That is 0.584 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 into dcc dash. Distance cc dash. What is the distance cc dash? That is this two conductor distance, which is already calculated. Calculate केलेला आहे आपण काय distance What are the distances? Distances C dash, that is 7.21 again. 7.21 into 7.21 into DCC dash, that is GMR 0.4584 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Solve in calculator, then we are getting DS3 is equal to 0.205 meter. Okay, now these are the three values for the related with the self GMD of the individual conductor. Now equivalent self GMD is equal to cubic root of, put the values DS1, DS2, DS3. So cubic root of, put the values 0.205 into 0.18 into 0.205. So it becomes, solve in calculator, answer becomes 0.195 meter. Now this is the equivalent GMD, equivalent self GMD. Now is also called as a DS. Okay, this is called as a DS. Okay, now this is first required answer. Now what is the formula for the equivalent mutual GMD? That is DM is called as a DM is equal to, for such a condition, cubic root of DAB into DBC into DAC. Okay, now what is the DAB? DAB is related with phase A and phase B, but phase A is made up from A dash and phase B is made up from phase B dash. So what is the combination? 4 root of distance AB, distance A B dash, distance A dash B, distance conductor in between A dash B dash. So mutual GMD is related with the distance between the different conductors of the same line. Now DAB is equal to 4 raised to the power root distance AB. What is the distance AB, which is already calculated? What is the distance AB? Distance AB is equal to 3.1 meter according to Pythagoras theorem, which is already calculated. 3.1 into distance AB dash. What is the distance AB dash? Again AB dash is already calculated. 5.62 is equal to 5.62. Again distance A dash B. What is the distance A dash B? A dash B 5.62 again. And what is the distance A dash B dash? A dash B dash again 3.1. So DAB is equal to, 4.17 meter after calculating calculator. Now similarly, now distance BC, but BC made up from two conductor B and C. Again B is made up from BB dash, C is made up from CC dash. So what is the combination for mutual GMD? 4 raised to the root of the power 4 distance BC of conductor B and C, distance between conductor B C dash, distance between the conductor B dash C, distance between the conductor B dash C dash. So obviously DBC is equal to 4 raised to the power root. What is the distance BC? Distance BC distance is again 5.62 into distance BC dash. Sorry, BC. What is the distance BC? BC distance is the 3.1. Okay. What is the distance BC dash? Distance BC dash, that is 5.62, which is already calculated. What distance B dash C? 5.62. Again distance B dash C dash 3.1. So distance BC is equal to, put the values and solve in calculator. So answer become again here 4.7 meter. Same. Similarly, now last combination, that is conductor B, A and C. Now distance AC. Again conductor A and C made up the combination A dash and made up from conductor C dash. Again, what is the combination for these two phases? Distance between AC conductor, distance between AC dash conductor, distance between A dash C conductor, and distance between A dash and C dash conductor. Now, obviously, distance DAC is equal to 4 raised to the power and root distance AC. What is the distance AC? Distance AC. Distance AC. What is the distance AC? Distance AC becomes, what is the distance AC? Distance AC, which is not calculated, but directly we have to analyze distance AC. What is the distance AC? 6 meter, obviously. What is the distance? 6 meter. Similarly, distance A dash, C dash, A dash and C dash, again here 6 meter. Okay, put these values. So AC is the 6. AC dash, what is the distance? A C dash, A C dash, distance A C dash, A C dash. What is the distance AC dash, which is already calculated? That distance is this distance and this distance. What is the distance which is already calculated? Distance AC dash, distance AC dash, AC dash. Okay, already given, that is 4 meter, already given. Distance AC dash, that is that distance, 4 meter. Okay, so that is 4. Distance A dash C, again here A dash C is the 4 meter. And what is the distance A dash C dash? A dash C dash is again 6 meter. So what is the distance DAC is equal to, for calculations, after calculating calculator, then final answer become 4.9 meter. All calculation must be in meter. Now equivalent mutual GMD, that is DM is equal to cubic root of DAB, DBC, DAC. Now solve, put the values. So DM is equal to cubic root of AB is already calculated, that is 4.17, 4.17, and DAC also 4.9, 4.9. So DM is equal to, what is the answer? 4.4 meter after calculating calculator. Now finally, inductance per phase per meter 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 2 log E dm upon ds. Okay, so what is the answer? It becomes 10 raised to the power minus 7, 2 log E dm upon ds. Then answer becomes, put the values, 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 2 log E. What is the value of dm? Dm is equal to 4.4 meter. What is the ds? ds is 0.195 meter. Meter cancel. So answer becomes 6.23 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 Henry per meter. But we need an answer in kilometer per phase. Inductance per phase per kilometer. That's why 6.23 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 1000. We need to multiply it because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So put the answer, then final put the value of 1 kilometer in meters. So 6.23 into 10 raised to the power minus 4, that means 0.623 meter per Henry per kilometer, millihenry per kilometer. So this is the final answer. Inductance of the three-phase double circuit given transmission line. This is the final required answer. Okay, this is the final required answer. So in this way, we have to solve the different configurations numerical for the double circuit three-phase transmission line. Similarly, here next numerical, because first of all we have to calculate the different distances, and then after simple calculations for the self GMD and mutual GMD is done, and finally we have to put the formula is same, that is 10 raised to the power minus 7 2 log E dm upon ds. Then simply we need to put the dm and ds values. One important step in such type of the numerical is the calculation of the distance of the each conductors, the distance between the each conductors. Before solve the numericals, before solving this mutual G and self GMD concept, first of all we have to calculate the distance between the each conductor by using Pythagoras theorem or using any of the mathematical concept, and then after solve the mutual GMD and mutual self GMD concept, and then finally put the value of mutual GMD and self GMD values in the final formula of the inductance. So in this case only mathematical calculations for the distance between the two conductors are most important. Now next numerical number 9.9. Calculate the inductance per phase per meter for the three-phase double circuit line whose the phase conductor have the radius of 5.3 centimeter with the horizontal conductor arrangement as shown in the figure 9.17. Simple configuration is given. In this case, again, this is the double circuit line. Phase A, phase B, phase C, A dash, B dash, and C dash. But in this case, the three phases, six phases are arranged in the horizontal manner, arranged in the horizontal plane manner. A, B, C, which is at the position number 1, 2, 3. A dash, B dash, and C dash, which is to be at the position 1 dash, B, 2 dash, and 3 dash. Distance between the each conductor from each other. Phase A, phase B, distance is 8 meter, phase B to C, 8 meter, phase C to A dash, 8 meter, phase A dash to B dash, 8 meter, phase B dash to C dash, 8 meter. Suppose we need to calculate the distance between the phase A to A dash. Not need to calculate any Pythagoras or any mathematical step. Simple calculation. 8, 8, 8, 24. Okay. Similarly, distance between the conductor A dash, C dash, 16. Distance between the conductor B to C, 8 meter. Distance between the conductor B to A dash, that is the 16 meter. So this type of the numerical is very much simple as compared with the previous case. So this is the numerical for homework, and this numerical solve and refer the book textbook which is already share on your Moodle software, college Moodle software. Solve this numerical and final answer becomes 5.36 10 raised to the power minus 7 per meter, and we need to calculate this numerical in kilometers form. So what is the answer? 5.36 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 1000 multiplied by 1000. So 5.36 into 10 raised to the power minus 4, 5.36 in millihenry per kilometer. This is the required answer in kilometer. So this is the homework for you. Solve this numerical using a textbook, and such type of the numerical example will be on your assignment test. So that's why you need to solve such type of the numerical. Similarly, numerical number 9.10. This is given single phase double circuit line. The conductor A phase made up from A dash and B phase is made up from the B dash in parallel from the return path, because single phase line A dash is made up from phase and B dash is the neutral, which is called as a return path. Okay. In this case also calculate the total inductance of the line per kilometer, assuming the current is equal shared by the two parallel conductor. Conductor diameter become 2 centimeter. Diameter is also given. Then in such type of the numerical, we need to find out the inductance. That is, use the formula 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 log E dm upon ds. Because loop inductance, what, how to get this formula? Actual formula is L is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 log E dm upon ds. This is for the single phase line. Okay, single phase double circuit line. But because of the dm and ds put due to the double circuit line, concept of that self GMD and mutual GMD are used. But loop inductance means this is the inductance per phase per meter formula. We need a total inductance called as a loop inductance, because this is only for the one conductor. That one conductor made up from A dash. We need another conductor effect, inductance effect, that is B dash conductor effect is considered when we need to again we have to solve such type of the inductance formula for the phase B. But in this case, in loop inductance, only we need to multiply it by 2, because same conductor A dash as a B dash use same conductor diameter or material of the conductor are used for the B dash, which is to be used in the A dash. Means same material of the conductor and same radius of the conductor used in both A dash and B dash conductor. That's why only we need to calculate per phase conductor inductance L per phase per meter conductor combinations. Then after we need to multiply it by double for the conductor phase B, that is multiplied by 2, that is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 log E dm upon ds. So final answer becomes, final formula becomes for the loop inductance L 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 log E dm upon ds. In this way we are getting here final formula. In this way this formula is achieved for the loop inductance. Then we have to calculate mutual inductance for the combination AB A dash B A B dash B A dash B dash. Then self GMD is also called DAA D A dash A dash D A dash B A dash A. Because of the we need to calculate only for the A dash combination, that's why we need get DS. Then solve the numerical for the DS dm, then put the formula and put the final values in the final formula, that is we are getting here loop inductance. Solve this numerical, and in this case also the spacing between the two conductor A dash is the 20 centimeter and B dash is the 20 centimeter. But combinations distance between the two combinations, distance between these two combination is 100 centimeters. So solve this numerical. This is also homework for you, and solve this numerical by using your own intelligence. Use your own pen and book and solve this numerical based on the previous lectures. Okay, this is homework for you, because the such type of the numerical are now in your unit test exam. So, and this in this exam not a objective MCQ type exam, because in this case I am put the filling the blanks in the question, and you need to put your answer by your own hand by using calculator. After solve your numerical on your own, and the numeric and test is totally based on the time based. Okay, so that's why you need to practice on such type of the numerical. Thank you. These are the all type of the combination of the numerical based on the GMD, GMR, and also the numerical based on the inductance calculation of the single phase and a three phase line. Also numerical on the GMD and GMR for the inductance calculation for the single phase double circuit line and three phase double circuit line. Thank you.